Hi there! So we all love headphones and Realme has just launched their first ones. They call it Realme Techlife Studio H1. I think I'll just call them Studio H1s. It sounds much better. Most budget headphones lack good audio fidelity or either look really cheap. The Studio H1s are here to fill that gap. It comes with adaptive ANC on board, then we also get dual device connectivity support, there's gaming mode, even LDAC codec support, and priced at just $4,499. Now, I've been using these for over a week and I've had mixed feelings. Don't worry, we'll talk about everything in detail, the good, the not so good, so you can decide if the Realme Studio H1 headphones are worth your money or not. Let's begin. So we'll quickly take you through the unboxing process. Here's the detail box with the image of the headphones here, some key features, LDAC logo, which is high-res audio support. On the back, you can see the 3 colors it's going to be available in. Further below, you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of $7,999. Let's open it up. Inside, of course, you have the H1 headphones. We have a user manual in English, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and even a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's great. Alright, let's have a closer look at the headphones. Now this is the crimson red color, which I think is super eye-catchy. It's got a hint of orange and coral, which I truly love. The build quality is all plastic, which technically keeps the headphones really light. Realme has clearly taken inspiration from the Sony XM5 headphones, very identical design language. The cups also fold inwards, making it easy to carry in your backpack. The headband cushion is also quite soft. In fact, the ear cup cushions are really good, super soft. Inside the cup, you can spot the LNR logo, which you know is for left and right. The cups also swivel inwards, which makes it convenient to wear it around your neck. Of course, it can also be extended for that perfect fit. Then on the sides, you can spot these huge mics, which assist you for ANC and transparency mode. Talking about the buttons and ports, here is the USB-C port, then you get an ANC button, there's a power button and the volume rockers. Overall, very impressive build quality, especially for the price. Feels so premium. Also glad they didn't put any huge logos on the ear cups like most brands do. This is so much more cleaner. Now the Studio H1s don't come with any IP rating, but yes, they are sweat resistant, so you can wear them at the gym or even for a run. It also comes with Bluetooth 5.4, so it provides longer battery life and more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SBC, we get AAC and even LDAC support. But keep in mind, iOS devices do not support the LDAC protocol, so it'll only work on Android devices. Now I'm not sure if you observed, but these headphones lack a headphone jack, which from one perspective could be a con. But instead, you get a USB-C port for wired audio output. Plug into your phone or even your laptop and it works really well. In fact, there are so many benefits to that. First, there's lossless audio. Second, there's no lag or delay and the audio syncs perfectly, making it just ideal for gaming. And third, the headphones charge while plugged in. So even when the juice runs out, they are totally usable. It's also really smart of Realme to provide 2 cables in the box, C to C and C to A, just in case you want to plug into a laptop that doesn't have a USB-C port. Very handy. Good job by Realme. Alright, let's talk about the fit and comfort. So the first thing is that these are over-the-ear headphones and the cushions are quite soft, very comfortable to be worn for long hours. The tension is just perfect. It's not too tight and it's not too loose that it'll fall off. Also, I love leaving headphones around the neck because that's what we all do when we travel. They fit just perfectly. Alright, let's talk about the sound. But before that, you need to know that these headphones don't have any app support. Hence, there's no equalizer control, which is something I really miss. Let's come back to the sound. So they come with 40mm dynamic bass drivers, which goes without saying provides super heavy bass. But at the same time, they have also pretty decent highs and instrument separation. The H1 Studios provide a very satisfying thumb and balances out rest of the audio equally well. Even at high volume, there was no distortion. Bass fans are truly going to love it, and I can assure you, it sounds a lot more premium for its price. However, there's one thing which I especially must mention, that there is a noticeable sound bleed when you play the audio at full volume. But that's something we experience even with the most budget earphones. So if you play it at 50 or 60%, it's going to be just fine. Then they also come with 43 decibels active noise cancellation, which you can enable by pressing the ANC button. It cancels out most of the passive sound and frankly, it does a really good job. makes everything so silent without creating that vacuum effect. Perfect to use in a noisy environment or even on a flight. Then we also get transparency mode where you can be more aware of your surroundings. You can kind of even have a conversation with the other person while wearing these headphones. Works really well. You can enable it by pressing the ANC button again. Alright, we also tested these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded on the mics of the Studio H1s. This is how you would sound to the other person when you're on a phone call. The mics on the headphones cancel out most of the external sound, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback. Talking about controls, you can use the volume rockers to adjust the volume. You can tap and hold to even change tracks. You can even answer and end calls using the power button. It's very simple to learn. Then it also comes with gaming mode, which you can enable by pressing and holding the ANC button for 2 seconds. We played games via Bluetooth, and trust me, there was no noticeable delay at all. The good thing is you can even connect it via USB-C cable, and now when you play games, there is absolutely zero delay. Now you technically don't even need gaming headphones, just plug and play. Similarly, you can even watch movies and videos without any lip sync problem. Just perfect to enjoy on your long flights. Then it also comes with dual pairing support, so technically you can connect 2 devices at the same time, like your laptop and phone. It comes really handy. Let's talk about the battery. So it comes with a huge 600 mAh battery that Realme claims will last you for about 70 hours. I know that sounds really amazing on paper, but in reality, you get about 40 to 45 hours with ANC. It takes about an hour and a half to fully charge, and I can easily say that those are solid battery numbers for headphones at this price. Alright, final thoughts. Now if I had to pick out the cons, I really miss that such amazing headphones lack app support. Since there's no app, there's no equalizer control. And nowadays even 1000 rupees earbuds have app support. So that's kind of a little disappointing. But what really impressed me is that it comes with really good audio fidelity, you get deep bass, USB-C connectivity support, ANC support, LDAC support, and super long battery life. By the way, also like to add, what amazing design. Whatever you might call it, inspired, copied, but they truly are eye-catching. You can buy the Realme Studio H1 headphones for just 4,499, and if you want to go subtle, you can also pick up the white or black color. Also the red is my favorite. I'll share the links of all these color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, which I highly recommend, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.